Okay, so this is the quick look for the Rynox Magnapod tank bag. This is magnetic, and here you can put the gloves. There are two sections out over here, chain. Here you can put the mobile. Here's some another chain. Build quality is as usual awesome. The best part is to put the shoulder strap, you just remove the shoulders buckles and just put it out over here. You don't need to remove this whole cover, unlike the Optimus, and this is slightly smaller than the Optimus as well. 1 2 3 4 and 5 magnets. And from the inside, okay, anyways, just show you something. Here you go, some compartments, I don't know, something to hold, some chain, and let's show you the depth. So it's like this deep and a little bit more, which is sufficient enough. I don't want a huge thing, so I think the Optimus is slightly more taller, around 4-5 liters bigger than this, and even this can be expanded by around 2 inches or something like that. So there is an expansion possibility. I really like this design. It was an impromptu buy, and quality looks good. Rynox Magnapod first look, 3250 rupees.